Welcome back to the video. The very first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up our Google Photo app. So I'm going to click on here to open my Google Photo. Open my Google Photo app. Having opened up your Google Photo app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on search. Then here, come to the top right here, type in lock. Lock folder. So you can see, click on lock folder, enter your lock password. Hit on enter. Then to take you to all the video and photo that you have in your lock folder. Now to back up any of the information right here in your lock folder, what you want to do, let's say for instance, I want to simply back up this particular video right here. I will select on the video. Having selected on the video, click on these three dots from the top right here and click on backup now. And in a few seconds, everything will be backed up into your Google Photo hidden file space. It's that simple. For more tutorial on how best to use your Google Photo, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.